Rosemary's Remembrance Services, Remembering Your Past, Strengthening Your Future by Cody Welliver. Hi, my name is Cody Welliver, and I am here to talk to you about Rosemary's Remembrance Services. Rosemary's Remembrance Services uses reminiscence therapy to help you remember your past while strengthening your future. When I was a child, my grandmother and I used to plant rosemary in her garden. She would add the herb to all of her meals in the hopes of the medicinal properties enhancing her memory. What is reminiscence therapy? Let's first take a look at this picture. Take a couple of moments and think about what memories come to mind. Does this remind you of your first car? Does it remind you of taking a date to a drive-in movie? Or maybe it reminds you of long trips down the coast with your dad. Reminiscence therapy uses photos such as this in order to rekindle memories, in order to remember past and strengthen your future. Reminiscence therapy uses prompts such as photos, music, or familiar items from the past to encourage the patient to talk about earlier memories. For example, you could be shown an old Coca-Cola ad and be asked what kind of memory may that spark. This could allow you to reminisce of a day you spent with your family drinking an ice-cold Coke on the beach. This therapy can be done on an individual basis or can include your friends and family members as well. It is generally offered to people who are struggling with their memory or need help dealing with the difficulties that come along with the aging process. It can also be used in order to remember the fond and joyful memories of the past, which would aid in battling depression. Depression affects approximately 6.5 million Americans aged 65 years and older. For many aging individuals, they experience depression for the first time in late life. This awful disease often goes unnoticed because it is seen as a normal and natural part of aging. This could not be further from the truth. Many aging adults do not know how to recognize the symptoms of depression, nor do they know how to treat it. If unnoticed, depression can often cause cognitive decline and increase rates of suicide. With the use of reminiscence therapy, we see a great deal of positive outcomes. The first positive outcome is that it will decrease the depressive feelings that you may be having. By allowing you to remember memories that once brought you laughter, happiness, and pure joy, you can start to focus more on those feelings. This type of therapy has also been shown to help those suffering from Alzheimer's disease to be more involved in the aging community. By trying to remember these past events, reminiscence therapy increases cognitive activity, which as a result can slow cognitive decline. This therapy also helps you to remember your accomplishments, which would allow you to increase your self-esteem and allow you to have a higher satisfaction with your life. There have been a variety of testimonials by various patients of the program. One participant in our program stated, "My assisted living community has been offering reminiscence therapy to me for the past 3 months. I have been attending reminiscence group sessions 3 times a week. Every other day I look forward to going to my group sessions. I love being greeted by the lovely therapist and participating in group. Seeing, hearing, and smelling things from my past is such a beautiful reminder of everything I've accomplished thus far in my life. It is such a wonderful activity and truly is the highlight of my day." Another participant said, "Since I have been living in an assisted living community for the past 6 months, I have been feeling depressed and not myself. My children have even considered removing me from my home because of my unhappiness and my seemingly forgetful memory. However, since I started attending reminiscence therapy sessions, I have really started to enjoy my new community. I feel like I'm myself again. I am having more fun and I know my memory has gotten better. Even my children say so." Lastly, one participant stated, "The Rosemary staff is one of the most professional and respectable group of people that I have worked with while doing reminiscence therapy. It makes me want to go back day after day. Rosemary's Remembrance Services has helped me to live a more fulfilling life." There has also been a lot of research to support the use of reminiscence therapy. One group of researchers administered the therapy to older adults, predominantly women, at a local community center for the aging. A questionnaire administered after the group reminiscence therapy session revealed that 97.3% of participants enjoyed the experience of talking, 98.7% enjoyed listening to others, 89.2% felt that the group work with reminiscence therapy would help them in their daily life, and 92.6% wished to continue with the program. Another study found that after 12 weeks of integrative reminiscence therapy, institutionalized older veterans experienced significant decreases in depressive symptoms. Also, it is interesting to note that older adults with depressive symptoms frequently reminisce as a way to refresh bitter memories and reduce boredom. Due to this finding, the researchers concluded that if depressed older adults were already reminiscing, although in negative ways, they would make great candidates for reminiscence therapy since they would be comfortable with doing this activity anyway. We would like to start implementing this program next month. We will start with 2 group reminiscence therapy sessions a week that will last approximately an hour apiece. With each given week, we will evaluate the progress of the service and your satisfaction to the therapy. And based on those results, we will add 1 group session a month. We are hoping that within 4 months, we will be up to at least 3 group sessions per week. Here at Rosemary's Remembrance Services, we pride ourselves in our incredible, knowledgeable, and professional staff. Each one of our employees is a licensed therapist. They are each also trained in reminiscence therapy for older adults. Each staff member is highly motivated and backed with years of professional experience. Every employee is respectful towards their clients, and as a result, their therapy sessions are proven to be highly effective. As the aging population grows in the future, the need for our services will be greater than ever. We offer the chance to improve the overall mental health of the aging population and increase their life satisfaction. Do you want to feel happier about your life? Do you want to explore your memories just a little bit deeper? Do you want to feel like you are a part of a growing community? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then Rosemary's Remembrance Services is for you. If you want to learn more about the services that we offer, our staff, our general information on the use of reminiscence therapy, please visit our website at www.rosemarysremembrance.com. Thank you all so much for coming to my sales presentation for Rosemary's Remembrance Services. We hope that you will let us help you remember your past in order to strengthen your future.